Hello guys, welcome back to my channel where the makeup and sass keeps you coming back for more. It's Gilly, and today's video is going to be a tutorial on how to get this look here. It's bold, it's green, it's halo eye, and I'm absolutely loving every single thing about it. I know we're like in the dead months of winter. Today it snowed all day in Salt Lake City. However, I am just feeling this look entirely. If you're feeling it, please let me know down below, as well as like this video to, give your girl some support because it's greatly appreciated. I'm not going to ramble on too much because I don't want this video to be super long. I just want you guys to enjoy today's tutorial and have fun. But before all of that happens, please don't forget to go follow me on Instagram and Twitter because I do post on those as well, and you can interact with me more on those platforms. So without further ado, let's jump right into today's tutorial. So to begin today's tutorial, my eyebrows are already done and my eyelids are already primed. I did use my MAC Paint Pot in the shade Layin Low to prime my eyelids. Also, if you want to see a brow tutorial on how I do my brows, I already have one posted on my channel, and I will try to link it up above somewhere if you are interested in that. So if you guys want to see a brand new updated brow tutorial, please be sure to let me know down below, because I think that I found a trick that's really going to make your eyebrows pop and give you that Instagram brow look if that is what you're going for. So I think that might be a video I might make very soon, but again, please let me know if you do want me to go ahead and make it. So moving on to our eyes, today I'm going to be using the colored Raine Vivid Pigments palette. We're going to be doing a lot of things with greens. It's a little scary, but I think that it will work out and it will be fun. So first and foremost, I'm going to go in with this shade called Unbothered to be our transition shade. Taking a smaller clean brush, I am going to now blend the edges of that transition shade, which I just like dabbed onto my eye. Be sure to use swirling motions with your brush to do this. Next, with a small fluffy blending brush, I'm going to go into the shade Level Up and blend that into the first color that we applied. Then taking my original small brush that I was blending out my edges with, I just want to make sure that everything is nice and blended with the original color. Okay guys, so this is what our eyes should be looking like right now. I know they look a little crazy, but the number one rule of, going out of your comfort zone and playing around with colors in eyeshadows is like, it's gonna look worse before it looks better. So, don't give up until the very end. If it looks like absolute crap, then start again. Never hurts to try more than once. So now I'm just gonna go in with a very tapered brush, and I'm gonna dip into that shade called Squad, and I'm gonna create more darkness within my lid and kind of put it in the inner corner and outer corners to start to create that halo shape that I'm going for. So now to add the halo effect and really bring this look together, I'm going to go ahead and jump into this Stila Vivid Pigment eyeshadow, liquid eyeshadow little thingy here. This one is in the shade Vivid Smoky Quartz. I'm going to lay this shade down first, and then in the very, very center of the eyes, I'm going to go in with the shade called Starlight, just to really bring in that halo effect that we're going for. And of course, taking that brush that we had the dark green on to just pat these edges and make them blend into each other. Now I'm going in with that shade Starlight to add some definitive touches. Going in with my Makeup Forever liquid liner in the black shade, I'm going to create a wing, and then I'm going to apply my Lilly lashes in the style Miami. Whew, guys, these lashes just took the life out of me, but they're on. Now I'm honestly going to just quickly rush through my face because I feel like, you know, y'all have seen me do my face 1,000,001 times. So I'm not really gonna go too in depth with my face. I'm just gonna show you the product, put it on, so we can get to the final look, the final glam of this tutorial. Okay, so the first product that I'm going in with is just this CoverFX blurring primer, so we can blur these pores out. For foundation today, I'm going to be returning to an oldie but goodie. This is the Maybelline 24-Hour Foundation, and I wear the shade 355 Coconut. To conceal, I'm going to go in with my Fenty Pro Filtr concealer, and I'm using the shade 390. Something to note is that I do use my concealer to clean up under my eyes and kind of sharpen my wing a little bit more. Now we're just going to be blending everything in with our Real Techniques beauty sponge.
Here we go.
Now going in with my Fenty setting powder in the shade Banana. Now we're just gonna dust away this excess powder using my Sephora Microsmooth powder, and I'm also gonna use this to just set the rest of my face. Y'all already know the drill. You know how I do this. Now we're just going to quickly go in and put the same 2 green shades in the waterline to complete this look. So first I'm going to add that dark green shade called Squad, the closest to my waterline, and then I'm going to go ahead and blend the lower part with that shade Level Up. So for lips, I'm going to go ahead and use this matte lipstick in the shade Stone, and then I'm going to add a little bit of the Gloss Bomb in the shade Fusty on top of it. So I'm going to go ahead and fix my hair, jewels, and change my shirt and all that. and I'll be back to show you guys the final product.
Invincible.